Hi friends, welcome to my channel.
Today we are going to show you
Some activities on air pressure. The first one we are going to show is
ghost in the jar.
for that we need a matchstick, balloon,
A jar. Let's start the process.
First place fire in the jar. Now place balloon top of it.
Why the balloon is going inside, Anga? I think that's a ghost. I'm lifting the jar.
No, Nivas, it's because of air pressure.
The next one is flying paper.
Now hold the paper like this and place it near to your lower lip like this. Now blow it hard. The paper is going up because of air pressure.
Next one is the challenge to my brother.
What is it, Nivas?
Can you make the bottle fall down without touching anything?
Yes, Nivas, I can make this fall down with air pressure. I will show you. I will show you again.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you like